Ladies and gentlemen, today's Mega Innovation Expo 2025 is a celebration of entrepreneurship and innovation. We are honored to host over 40 groundbreaking startups from more than 15 universities competing for top honors, expert evaluations, and exclusive opportunities for incubation at the SMIU Business Incubation Center.
We are honored with the august presence of the Chairman Sindh Higher Education Commission. Sir, we are very grateful for sparing your precious time to magnify and dignify this event today here. I, Professor Dr. Zahid Chinar, Dean Faculty of Management, Business Admin and Commerce, on behalf of Sindh Mustfam University, welcome you all in this Sustainnovation Expo 25.
I am very happy to see that Sindh Madhatul Islam University is taking lead of present HEC, and as I was told in the morning by our learned DGIT that Government of Sindh in coordination with the IT department is going to have a business incubation center set up here at the provincial level. So I believe all these combined efforts will bring a change in this province that will ultimately bring a change at the national and international level. You see, in the last 2 decades, this trend has changed. And to be very honest, recent times I have seen my youngsters in my family as well as my students across the campus, and I have seen a change in them. I have seen that they are thinking how to create the jobs, how to apply their all academic background into the reality. And particularly, I have been always watching our business entrepreneurship subjects from the Faculty of Business. We have this is almost a usual and a very sort of conventional setups we do almost 2 times a year. But this setup is representing across all the universities of the province. So I hope that the students who have made these setups here will be highly encouraged.
It's an honor for me to now request Dr. Rana Shahzad Kaisar, DG IT Government of Sindh, to please come and address the gathering.
It's really honor for us to have these kind of events. और आज रैली आने के बाद हमें बड़ी खुशी हुई कि स्टार्टअप्स में काम हो रहा है। सिंध गवर्नमेंट भी इस हिसाब से अपने आप को अपस्केल कर रही है। तो हम चाहेंगे कि आप में से जो अच्छे बच्चे जिनका स्टार्टअप्स अच्छे हैं, they can come with us and showcase their products, and we love to promote your products in all over the world. Or secondly, we are working in the cloud computing as well. So Sindh government is the first government which is working in the cloud first policy. Now we are in the implementation phase. तो क्लाउड के हवाले से आप में से जो भी बच्चे अपना स्टार्टअप करना चाहें या फ्रीलांसिंग करना चाहें या इसमें आके अपने आप को अपस्केल करना चाहें तो यस, वी आर अवेलेबल फॉर दिस.
With great respect, I now invite our esteemed chief guest, Professor Dr. Tariq Rafi, Chairman Sindh Higher Education Commission, to please come and address the audience.
There are more than 2.5 million higher education students everywhere in Pakistan. You cannot have 2.5 million jobs throughout Pakistan. It's not possible. So rather than making students to be job seekers, we should be working on to make them someone who is producing job, who is working as an entrepreneur. So entrepreneurship is very important nowadays for the university to think about, rather than producing students who are looking for jobs. So keeping this in mind and have a vision of what's going to happen in the next 10 to 20 years, every university should gear up with the ideas of how to promote the students to become entrepreneurs in themselves. The skill now has got an upper hand as compared to the qualification or degree that you have. If you are highly skilled, even if you do not have the qualification of a PhD, you are worth more than a person who has a PhD but no skill.